Hello, I'm going to share something really exciting with you, how I'm earning passive income through CodeCanyon and how you can start doing it too. So what is CodeCanyon? First thing first, let me briefly explain what is CodeCanyon. It's a marketplace where developer, designer and other creators can sell their digital product like code, plugin, script, theme and application. Think of it as an online store of software. Let me show you my income from CodeCanyon. I have been selling mobile application, and as you can see there is a constancy flow of income coming. This is passive income in its purest form. Once your product is live, you don't have to actively sell it. People from all over the world discover your product, purchase it and you get paid. The income is passive. I create the product once, upload it, and then it keep earning money while I sleep, work on other project, or even take vacations. Imagine earning money while you are doing something else. That's the power of passive income.